So this question is a diagram question. Any question that provides some visual input, I'm going to call a diagram question. This is also a graph question, right? We have an XY coordinate plane here. It's also a circle question, potentially. We see that circle there at center -2, 0. Looks like it has a radius of 3. So I'm just, taking note of everything that I have there. So let's pay attention to what the question says and figure out what we're looking for. So the question says circle A shown is defined by the equation x plus 2 squared plus y squared equals 9. Let me just stop and make sure I agree with that. So I know that the circle equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So this tells me that my h value is -2, right? That's how we got from a negative h to a positive 2. It's because h is -2, which is true, right? H being the x value of the center. And then my k value is 0. K must be 0. How do I know that? Well, because there's nothing associated to my y squared here, right? So it's just a y squared, which makes k 0. And again, that's the y value of my center, which, again, I confirmed because that's my center of the circle right there at -2, 0. And then I have 9 as my r squared, and therefore my radius is 3, which I also notice because I count up 3 spaces. I get there or to the right or down or left. Okay. Circle B not shown. Let's erase this because maybe we need to draw another circle. Circle B not shown is the result of shifting circle A down 6 units. So let's just do that in real time. When I'm shifting the circle, I just draw my eyes to the center of the circle, and I know that everything else goes along with it. So to go down 6 units would be to end up here for the center. And what else to say? To A, go down 6 units and increasing the radius so that the radius of circle B is 2 times the radius of circle A. Well, the radius of circle A was 3. So the radius of circle B should be 6. So that means that, let's count 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to, to the right, it's going to be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the left, it's going to be out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the top, it'll be there. Right? So we'll have this kind of big circle here, the bottom of which we won't see because there's not enough graph or space to show it. But that's pretty much the circle, right? The center has moved down 6 units, and the radius has gone from a radius of 3 to a radius of 6. The question says, which equation defines circle B? Okay, well, again, we're looking at x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h comma k is the center and r is the radius. So this is something to memorize for sure. So where is the center of the circle after we've moved it? It is at the point -2, -6, which means h equals -2 and k equals -6, which means that we should have x plus 2 squared plus y plus 6 squared. And because our radius is 6, because we know r equals 6, then r squared is 36, which makes this a 36 here. So that's what I'm looking for, okay? Here's my answer. Now I just have to go match it to the correct answer. So choice A has the x plus 2 squared, it has the y plus 6 squared, and 4 times 9 is in fact 36. So I'm liking choice A. I'm pretty sure that's the right answer. But I'm going to check the others. Choice B has a 2 in front of coefficient. There's really no reason for that. Also, the radius is 9. That's absolutely wrong. The radius, r squared they're saying is 9. R squared should be 36 there. So choice B is completely gone for multiple reasons. Choice C has a y minus 6 here, so that's why it's wrong. Choice D, again, has these coefficients for no reason, and it has a -6, and the radius is wrong. So that's why choice D is gone. So choice A is the best answer to this question.